Yeah, welcome back to SVG animation in CSS. In this video, we see about the animations. Most of the people we ask me what's the difference between the CSS animation and JavaScript. They are while using in CSS, they are easy to use for simple animations. You can create them without even having to know JavaScript coding. The animations run well even under the moderate system loading. Simple animations can often perform poorly in JavaScript. The rendering engines can use frame skipping and other techniques to keep performance as smooth as possible while using CSS animations. This what is the animation? The CSS animation will make it possible to animate any element of style configure from one style to another by using the set of keyframes. Transitions and animations are different between one thing. The transitions only applied for pseudo classes, but the animations we can apply for any element. We can animate any element. Okay? These are the properties we will learn in this video. What are the animation properties we have? Animation name, animation duration, animation timing function, animation delay, animation iteration count, animation direction, animation fill mode, animation play station. Okay, let's we go into the live examples. Okay, I'm using the Sublime code editor. You can use anything as you like. This I have created a div section square box with the class name. This is the output. And closing the tabs. Now we see the live example. Dot square box width it should be 100 pixel. Height should be 100 pixel and background color should be red. Now we animate these two by using keyframes and gray keyframes. Keyframe animation names should be anything you can as like you can create any name. I'm creating ink width. You can give any name, don't worry. And now from to 2, the animation will make with from starting and end or with percentages. By percentages, you can create a multiple steps of animations. Just we first see the starting and end. Later we see the in percentages. Here the width should be 200 pixel. Background color should be red at initial stage. Then section, the width should be 600 pixel. Background color blue. Let's see what will happen. We refresh. Sorry, I haven't saved it. Sorry, I haven't called this animation. First we create the animation. First we see the individual properties. Later we go into the shorten property. The animation name we should give NC ink width. Then the name we have given the keyframe. Next, animation duration should be on 4 seconds. animation timing function is in animation delay. We see later on those remaining properties. First, we see what will happen with this. Yes, what happened, it was not. Sorry, I have given the class name probably square box. Now we see, yeah, see how it was applying. It's slow. Now the number of times we repeat the animation, we reduce the duration time to 2 seconds, and the number of times animation iteration count will repeat the number of times. We create 4 seconds, sorry, 4 times. Later, the delay should be animation delay should be applied after 2 seconds. Let me see. After 1 second, it has 2 seconds. It should be happening. Okay. Next property animation fill mode. Animation fill mode will make the final stage shopping hard. After the end of the animation, how it should be. It at initial position or final position. While creating the forward, after 2 seconds it was applied. See, forward it is stopped at end section. If we keep backward, we reduce the second to 0. Keep backward, it will show the initial position. See, it was stopped at initial position. Now I need it should be in both direction, increase and decrease. It should be increase and decrease. It was only increasing and getting back to initial position directly. The getting back direction it should be smooth. So we make it to animation direction should be alternate. We see how increasing and decreasing in both sides. And anything we have messed up, nothing else. Duration delay for all the playstations. Animation playstations, how it will be applied means it will for hovering effect. We create dot where over animation PlayStation pause. When we hover on it, it should be pause. It will be stop the animation. See, when I hovering it, it was stopping. That's all about the animation. Sorry, we have to say in percentages also for the multiple steps. For 0% and 100%, 150%. I need height to be 400 pixels. Background color should be yellow. Now we see what it will be happen. How it was happening. Multiple steps you can create with percentages. And now we see the shorten property. Then proper and keeping all the remaining in comment section. Animation. The first one is animation keyframe name with what we have given. Next one, the duration, it should be 4 seconds. Next, the timing function, it should be easy. It should be iteration count. No, it should be delay section, 0 second. Iteration counts, infinity. Right. Next one is the direction, alternate. And the next property is fill mode, that is to be backward. But when we keep the alternate, it should not possible to see. We keep the forward. Now we see what will be happen. The animation should be same. When we hovering, it would be paused. That's all about the animation. In next section, next video, we see the transformers. Thank you.